Type of entering your PIN or pattern every time you open secure folder. Here's how you can make it faster by unlocking it using your fingerprint. Let's set it up. To do so, go to the app screen, then tap secure folder, enter your screen lock, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap setting, tap secure folder lock and biometric. Enter your secure folder lock again if prompted. Under biometrics section, tap fingerprints, and then follow the prompt to add a fingerprint. Tap done. Once you are done, you can see that the fingerprint unlock option is on, which means now you can unlock secure folder instantly using your fingerprint. As a note, you can register different fingerprints data for secure folder than the ones you use to unlock your phone. This means someone who can unlock your phone will not automatically be able to access your secure folder because it stays private. And that's it. Next time you open secure folder, you just need to touch your fingerprint sensor. It's quick and secure access. No need to type anything. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.